Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a page on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your Shopify admin panel and click on online store and select pages, and here you'll get the list of the pages you created. And to add a new page, click on add page and enter the page title here, and inside of this box enter or add the content of your page. And now you can turn on the visibility, but right now I'm going to select hidden and theme template. You can select the theme template and then click on save. So I'm going back from here, and here you can see the gallery page has been added to my store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.